So in order to access your network computer, first of all, you should make sure that you're connected on the same Wi-Fi network as the computer is in, or you're hooked up with the same LAN cable. And once that is finalized, you can actually go to the start menu right here, and I'm going to type in this PC. So once I go over here, on the left side right over here, you'll be able to see networks. So I'm using the network for the first time, so you'll go to the setup on how to access the computer as well. So I'm going to go on to the network, and here it says the network discoverability is turned off. So this is what happens when you run it for the first time. So I'm going to press OK right over here. And once you do that, you can see that network discovery and file sharing are turned off. It shows the option right over here. And once you click on it right over here, here it says turn on network discovery and file sharing. So simply click on that and it gives you an option. So it asks you, do you want to turn on network discovery and its file sharing for all public networks? And so if you want to say not make your computer like public, then you can simply type in no. You can select no to just use it for home network. In my case, I'm going to say yes, but usually it's not a good idea to say yes unless you want to really use a computer to share files in other computers as well. So I'm just going to say yes, and now it actually shows the desktop right over here. So you can see my desktop right over here, but you don't see any other desktops. So it is loading, and now as you can see that my network has been connected, and now I'm able to see the other computers on my network. So I'm using my laptop right now. So there's my other laptop, which we renamed to TutorTube on our previous lesson. So now I can see that that computer is accessed over here. So for this computer, like I haven't renamed it, but for the other computer, you can see that it's actually there, just like that. So I can just double click on it, and it asks me to enter the credentials for that computer so that I can actually access the content on that computer. So I can tell it to remember the credentials because I do need to actually work around with the files quite a lot of bit. So I'm just going to go over here on to the enter network credentials. I'm going to go over here and then enter your credentials to connect to TutorTube as it says right there. So I'm just going to enter the credentials for that. So I'm going to enter my email address and then the password. So once I do that, once I enter, you can see the users folder right over there. So you can actually go inside, and then you can see that I can access all of the files on the other computer just like that. So I can go over here, I can go on to the desktop, I can actually go over here onto favorites, on the music, even OneDrive as you can see. So I can go over to videos, and I'll be able to access the videos right there. So these are the files of the other computer just like that. So I can go and access the desktop right over here as you can see, and I can see all of the files which are actually available right over there just like that. So that is how you can access computers through a simple network inside of Microsoft Windows 10. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.